Hey guys, wanted to show you these Hikeen basketball training defenders that I was sent to review, and then I had my daughter do a little work with them out in the driveway too, so I'll show you that. But it comes with 4 of the cylinders that expand. They just have these little latch tethers on them, and again, I'll show you them outside. These are sandbags. If you fill them up with sand, then they're weighted to put in the bottom of the defenders. Make sure they don't blow around if it's windy. And then that's the carrying bag, so I'll go ahead and put them all in there and show you that too. But then just to kind of show you the card it comes with here. And then it also has a YouTube QR code there for some drills and stuff. So really handy, especially if you're doing driveway work. So let me show you that here now. Just real quick, guys, here's the dummies in the carrying bag. So just wanted to show you that. Go. Okay, go.
Oh, don't do that one. Don't do that one.
Now cut hard.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, go.